This easy-to-follow recipe combines zesty orange, tangy cranberries, and a moist cake base for a heavenly treat. Cranberry orange breakfast cake. Stick around, I'll show you how it's made. Perfect for a hassle-free morning breakfast bake or a fun addition to a brunch spread. You get a burst of flavors in every bite, and the best part, it's easy to mix, bake, and enjoy. Thank you for watching my channel, and please show your appreciation by clicking the subscribe button and giving me a thumbs up. Let's get started. This works best in an 8-inch springform pan, but if you have an 8-inch cake pan, it'll work just as well. Line the bottom of the cake pan and spray the sides with baking spray and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and 3/4 cup sugar. Whisk to combine. Make a well in the center and then set aside. In a small bowl, combine the cranberries with the remaining 1/4 cup of flour. Toss gently with a fork to coat all the cranberries. Doing this will help keep the cranberries from sinking to the bottom of the cake while it's baking. And then set this aside. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the eggs, sour cream, melted butter, vanilla, and orange zest, and then whisk to combine. Add all of the wet ingredients into the flour mixture using a spatula to fold it together. Scrape the bottom to get all of the dry ingredients. Add in the cranberries and gently fold them in. Scoop the batter into the prepared baking pan and even it out. Let the cake sit out at room temperature before baking for about 15 minutes. This helps to get an even bake, and it also allows all the flavors to combine throughout the cake while it's baking. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit during this time. Sprinkle the top with coarse sugar or sanding sugar. Bake for 65 to 70 minutes or until the texture comes out clean. You want to start checking in about 60 minutes. Cool the cake for 15 minutes before before removing it from the pan. Store the cake in an airtight container for 3 days at room temperature, or at least 7 days in the fridge, also in an airtight container. You can warm up a slice in the microwave for a few seconds and then dive in. This will be another one of those bakes you'll have around the holidays for breakfast or as a treat later in the day. I really love the combinations of the Tart and Zesty, and it's perfect with a cup of coffee in the morning or with a cup of tea. If you make this, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. So good.